So hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Coach Wahab and welcome to the tutorial of matplotlib. So friends, in the previous video we have saw about like how we can draw the line plot using the x-axis, y-axis, and how we can assign the name to our x-axis and y-axis and a title to our whole plot. These all things we have saw in the previous video. The agenda of today's video is learning about the histogram, like how we can create the histogram using matplotlib library. So this was the line plot which we have drawn in the previous video, and I hope you all have gone through this video, and if you have not watched this video, then I will provide the link for this playlist. You can watch this. The link will be in the description of this video. So let's start this histogram. So guys, let's first understand what is this histogram. So histogram is nothing, just like if you want to, like suppose that you want to plot the values of you want to get the frequencies of some values. Histogram just take the values of x-axis, and according to these values it will provide you the frequencies of this range. I mean to say that this histogram take the plot the graph within a certain range. Let me show you. So suppose that this is our graph, this is our frequency, and this is our x-axis, and here are some values. Suppose that these are some values on x-axis. So histogram what do, it take this range of the values and it will show you kind of boxes. These boxes are called as bins. You can consider it as a bins. You can also control the size of bins. So this is our histogram and it will give you the value within a certain range. Suppose that this is our 0, and this is let's suppose that this is our 5, this is our 10, this is 10. So histogram will create a bins like this, and it will provide you the value between 5 to 10. So this is how histogram is going to work. You just need to take the x-axis values and it will give you the result within a certain range, and in what range what frequencies are available it is going to provide you. So let's see this we are going to plot this using matplotlib library, and we will see how this histogram works. So let's do that. So let me first run this import matplotlib. I'm just going to continue from this. I have run this. Now let me create the histogram. So what I will do, I will type here plt dot hist, and I will pass some x values. Let me take x-axis as, let me take x values as 23, 34, 2, 34, 50. So these are all our x values, and I have passed this x inside this histogram. And now let me run this. Let me first run this plt.is and plt.show. This will show you the result of a plot. So it's still working. So now you can see that our histogram plot has been created, and it is giving the values in a specific range. Like I have taken this 2, so your 2 is lies somewhere here, and how many times does this 2 appears in your this list which I have created? So just one time. So that is the frequency which it is showing, that the value 2 has been shown just one time. So this is our frequency and this is our x-axis value. So let me name this label. So you already know how to name this x-axis and y-axis. So just add plt.x label, and my x value is some random values, and similarly I will name my y-axis plt.y label, and this will be frequency, number of times the values are appearing. You can see that I have named my x and y-axis. The x-axis is random values and y-axis is the frequency. So this is how you can create a histogram. It will give you the values within a certain range. So let's play with this histogram. Suppose that if you want to control this bin size, so how you can do this? So inside this plt.hist histogram, you just need to pass the parameter bin. So I want the bin to be bin number as a 5. Okay, it should be bins. So now you can see that I got the 5 bins, 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is how you can control your bin size. So it is giving me the values like 2. So here is 2 between, it is taking out the range 2 to 10. So in between 2 to 10, how many values are there? So just one values, and that values is 2. And similarly in between 20 to 30 range, how many values present in this X list? So within this, only one value is present. Between 20 to 30, only one value is present, and that is 34 only. Sorry, and that is 23 only. Similarly, 30 to 40, two values are present. That is 34, 34. I have taken 2 times 34. So it is showing that two values are present within the range of 30 and 40. So this is how you can create a histogram, and this is how histogram works. It will give you the number of times the values appearing in your list. So if you control the range, if you want to control the range, like within which range you want your values. So let's suppose that I will do that by using the range parameter. So range equal to, let's suppose that from 1 to the range 5. So you can see that within the range of 1 to 5, how many values are appearing? So just one value, and that is your 2. Only 2 is within this range. So this is how your histogram is going to work. You can also control the range, you can assign the range, and if you want to go to the more parameters, so just inside this, press shift and tab, and you will be able to see all the parameters which you can perform in this histogram. Let's suppose that I'm going to use label. I will show you how this label works, how this color is going to work, and also the alignment of your histogram plot. So let me do this. First, I will use this alignment. Alignment, what we'll do, so if you want your histogram to be left aligned, left side, right side, or median, in the middle, so this things you can control by using the alignment. So let me use this align operator. So let me pass this align operator inside this. So align equal to left. Suppose that I want my histogram to be left aligned. So I will pass left, and let me run this. Okay, what's the error? Property align. Histogram has been slightly aligned to the left. And now if I want it to the middle, you can also do this. It will be mid. So you can see that a very slightly change in the histogram, a very slightly alignment has been done in the histogram. It is trying to set your histogram in the middle. So you are not going to see the much difference because your values are not like that, by which you can assign your histogram plot inside the middle. So this is how you can play with the lots of different kinds of parameters inside your histogram plot. Let me assign the color. Let's suppose that I want the color of my plot to be red. So I want the color of my plot to be red, so I just pass R, or you can also write red here, and the color of your plot will be changed. Let's suppose that I want it green. So now it has become green. So this is how you can create your histogram plot. And if you want to set the title of your plot, then also you can give it by just typing plt.title, and the title of your plot has been created. So okay guys, this was all about today's video where we have saw how you can create a histogram plot. You just need to pass x values inside plt.test. If you want to control the size of your bin, then you can use the bin parameter. Also you can change the color. So this was all about the histogram plot, and I will see you in the next video with the next plot. And again guys, before leaving this video, if you have not subscribed my channel, then please do subscribe it, and please share and like my videos, because I need your support to move further, because you guys keep on encouraging me for posting more such videos. So please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel, and please share my video. Till then, I'll see you in the next video.